The ideas that we were exploring in this collaboration is some of the inequalities that exist within the dental-patient relationship, and how we might represent those and make them visible and evident.
And what we wanted to see was whether we could take a communication and look at it in different ways, look at it in terms of the rhythms and the patterns and the tones of the communication rather than just the words.
Well, an opportunity like this has many benefits. It allows me to do something creatively that is quite different. So there's a challenge inherent in that, but it's also very exciting because it pushes me to a certain extent to find new ways of communicating some of the ideas that I have.
I think there's lots of benefits of an opportunity like this. The chance to, as I say, think in different ways and draw on concepts that hadn't occurred to me before was really exciting.
We're very hopeful that we will be able to do the same process if we find it to be proven with patients and dentists in consultation. So it's quite exciting to think about how we might take this forward and how it might continue.
It's been fun as well as a learning opportunity, I think.